a damn thing.
So we gonna kick it or what?
We could kick it, but I forgot I had to go pick up my mom from work, and you know how that is.
That's all right. I'll take you to get her.
Nah, she don't like a lot of people with me when I go get her.
Who's that girl Smokey's talking to?
Some girl he hooked up with.
She's a big one.
Humongous.
Look, why don't you go up the street and get something to eat? I know you hungry.
Lord, let me go inside and see what's going on with this crazy man.
I'm right behind.
Okay.
Cause see, I ate twice before I came.
God damn!